Hello, hi guys! Magandang hapon sa inyo lahat. This is Shin from Masagada Channel, a faith healer, also mata reader. So ngayong hapon, natutugyan natin ang nagsasabihin sa inyo ng ating mga gabay. This is a fire sign gabay for the sign of Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. So Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, ano kayong messages, advices, and spirit guides ang ating masasagap for today's video? Kalorman kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay ng mga fire sign ng ating mga hagilap. So guys, this reading is a journey din lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. So guys, umpisahan natin for the sign of Aries. Angel Spirit, please give me information for the sign of Aries. Ano ang pinaka-messages sa iyo ng ating gabay? There's an 8 of Wands. There's a fast communication coming in for you. And because there's a Magician, ibig sabihin dito magiging mabilis ang takbo ng eksena dito, no? And because there's a Three of Pentacles, collaboration, trabaho, negosyo, hanap buhay. Kailangan mo mag-focus. And because para tinuturo ka dito sa right way, no? Sa right way. Let's see what is additional messages. Because there's a Four of Wands, no? There's a celebration coming in for you. At magdadala daw to sa iyo ng celebration na tong collaboration na to. What is additional messages? Yung parang pilit mong inaabot yung isang bagay, meron dito may mamamanifest ka dito, ha? And because there's a Three of Cups, there's a partnership or there's a third party involved or there's a celebration. Let's see what is additional messages. And of course, there's Seven of Wands. So, ibig sabihin dito, you're being protected, no? And of course, parang may pinoproteksyonan ka at pinapangalagaan ka dito. Sinasabi sa'yo dito na, kumbaga, may celebration dito na sinasabi na marami kang darating na eksena na protektado ka. Now, at the same time, there's Two of Cups. There's a partnership. Kumbaga, abot ka, may muna abot sa partnership. See, di ba? Kumbaga, there's infinite talaga yung feelings nila at the same time, no? Kumbaga, meron talagang affections to each other. And of course, there's a death card. There's an ending and a new beginning. Some of you may Magician, and of course, the death card. Some of you meron ditong na yumao, no? Na mahal sa buhay, na gawa ng black magic involved, no? And of course, sinasabi din dito na some other way, meron din dito eksena na, kumbaga, there's an ending and a new beginning. Kumbaga, there's transformation. What is the Three of Pentacles? Okay, there's a King of Pentacles. Sinasabi dito, there's secure about sa finances. Na kumbaga, secure at talagang protektado. Ano kasi sinasabi dito, kailangan mo makipag-collaborations at teamwork, no? Or kailangan mo proteksyonan yung resource of income mo. About siguro dito sa mga katrabaho mo, baka binabalakan kang patalsikin or 'di ba? Kumbaga siguro may something eksena dyan. Of course, there's a the Moon card, there's a dreams na maaaring magkaroon ka ng celebration by your dreams. And of course, there's a twin flame energy. What is the Three of Cups? There's the High Priestess. There's a hidden agenda or hidden enemies, no? May third party dito or something na, kumbaga, mayroong hanash siya yun, no? Mayroong lihim na may hidden agenda sa'yo, ganon, no? So, what is the Seven of Wands? What is the Seven of Wands? Angel Spirit Guides. What is the Seven of Wands? There's a Six of Wands. There's a victory and success, no? Kumbaga, protektado ka, talagang makukuha mo what you deserve. And of course, there's victory comes out. Kumbaga, talaga makukuha mo itong victory and success. So, what is the Eight of Wands and the Two of Cups? And because there's a the Lovers. Talagang meron talagang abot ka may maabot sa love life. So, ibig sabihin, kumbaga, successful pagdating sa partnership. Diba? And of course, There is a Nine of Cups. There's a wish fulfillment. Kumbaga, natapos na yung, kumbaga, yung mga pinagdaanan nyo, no? Kumbaga, this is the moment na unti-unti mo na maisa sa katuparan at abot kamay mo na nga, no? Yung matagal mo nang inaasam-asam. So, what is the Three of Pentacles and the Knight of Pentacles? Because there's a Six of Pentacles, magtutuloy-tuloy na raw about sa finances. Kumbaga, about sa trabaho, negosyo, hanap buhay. Kumbaga, kailangan secure ka about sa resource of income mo. At kailangan control mo tong situation na to. At magtutuloy-tuloy na about sa finances. What is the Four of Wands? And of course, the Moon card. There's a Queen of Pentacles. About naman dito sa practicality. Diba? Kailangan mo maging practical pagdating sa finances. Kumbaga, there's a dreams na kailangan mo. Kumbaga, material thing, practical, parang practical over ano to, parang there's a practicality parang yung sinasabi dito sa akin. Kaya kailangan mo maging practical. So, what is the Three of Cups and the High Priestess? Okay. There's the Empress card. I told you, there's a third party nga. Kumbaga, meron ditong hidden agenda or hidden enemies, no? Meron ditong third party involved. Pero kasi sa Seven of Cups, no? Kumbaga, nanggugulo, no? Nanggugulo sa inyo. May third party involved na nanggugulo sa it's either a family related or an ex or a friend, rather, diba? May hidden agenda sa'yo or some of you baka hindi katanggap ng person, ng family ng person mo or something, diba? Or may hinuhugutan sila sa'yo. Because there's a Page of Pentacles, there's a manifestation. May mga bagay na mamanifest ka dito at may isa sa katuparan mo, the Hangman, no? Kumbaga, waiting ka lang, mag-antay ka lang, baguhin mo lang yung perspective o yung mindset mo at the same time. So, what is the outcome? Ang outcome is the Two of okay, the Nine of Swords in reverse. No fear nor anxieties. Because there's Four of Cups na reevaluate or analyze. No, bago ka mag-take advantage or bago ka mag-take ng isang bagay, kailangan mo munang i-analyze. And of course, Page of Wands, there's a good news coming in for you. May magandang balita ka ditong darating, no? Balita or ideas, ganyan. So, what is Archangel Michael messages? This situation is already resolved. So, some of you, baka nasolusyonan na itong problema na to. Baka there's a family issues, no? And of course, you created the situation and you have the power to change it. Ikaw din yung naglagay sa sitwasyon mo dyan. So, ikaw yung may kakayanan para makaalis ka sa situation mo. Diba? So, let's see what is Archangel Raphael messages. Okay. Laughter is the best medicine. So, ibig sabihin dito, kumbaga, hayaan mo na lang sila sa mga kung anumang hanas nila sa buhay nila. Basta ikaw nag-enjoy ka sa buhay mo. And of course, hydration, no? Baka kinukulang ka din sa tubig, no? Kailangan mo nang uminom ng maraming tubig. Or, baka kailangan mo ng unwind or vitamin C kumbaga kailangan mo mag-unwind by yun nga, ocean, kailangan mo siguro ng dagat, no? So what is a Romance Angels? And there's a children's. Your love life is being affected by children. So ibig sabihin dito, maaaring naapektuhan daw ang inyong mga anak pagdating sa relasyon nyo. And because there's a deception. Someone is wearing a false self mask in the relationship. Na mayroon parang nagbabalat kayo or something, parang nagsisinungaling sa inyong dalawa, no? Parang may pinagtatakpan ganon. So, what is angel's number? What is the angel's number? Angel spirit, guys. There is a 2 Roman number. I am intuitive. You have a keen awareness of what is happening around you. A strong intuition is your gift and will help you understand that unspoken feelings and thoughts of other. These insights allow you to a great guide and supporter. So see, kumbaga meron kang abilities to visualize, no, yung mga bagay-bagay. Although yung instinct or intuition, kaya mo basahin yung mga iniisip ng ibang tao. So what is the messages of life? So, the messages of life is crossing into the light. Today, I faced a new bridge that I must cross on my journey to inner transformation. Today, like every day, I will practice the law of universal love. Thus, I will deal with the current situation in a positive way so that I continue to grow and evolve as I cross this bridge on my way towards the light. I am reminded the true meaning of life. See? Kumbaga ngayon nakikita mo ng kahulugan ng buhay pagdating sa mga bagay-bagay. Kailangan mo mag-transform from another person. Kumbaga another better. Kumbaga to be a better person. Kumbaga kailangan maging maayos talaga at kumbaga mas wais at maging listo sa mga bagay-bagay. Kumbaga lahat ng mga bagay na pinagdaanan mo, kumbaga it's a part of your journey. Kumbaga yung mga bagay na yan, kalooban ng Diyos at kalooban ng ating may kapalat ang ating universe. So guys, maraming salamat for the sign of Aries. So guys, let's proceed na tayo sa ating mga kapatid na Leo. Hello, welcome back! This is Chimpo Masagari Channel, a faith healer, also mata reader. So Leo signs. So let's see what is the message for you ng ating mga gabay. So, Leo, welcome to my channel. So, umpisahan na natin, guys, ha. Angel Spirit, guys, ano ang pinaka-message sa'yo for the fire sign gabay? For the sign of Leo. And because there's a Six of Swords, there's a transition. May mga kanina transformation for Aries sign. So, ngayon naman is a transition. So, ano because din nasabi sa'yo dito, magkakaroon ka ng pagbabago with the Seven of Pentacles, with the harvest time, no? This is your moment na kumbaga makakaalis ka na sa sitwasyon. Kumbaga may mga pinagdaanan ka about sa finances, so this is your moment na makakaalis ka na. With the Temperance, this is the perfect timing na makakaalis ka na. Kumbaga dito sa Three of Swords na maraming tao sa paligid mo naiinggit sa'yo. Kumbaga sinasabi ng Temperance, kumbaga kalmado dapat ha sa lahat ng panahon at sa lahat ng oras. So, what is additional messages? With the King of Pentacles, secure about sa finances. Kailangan maging secure ka at maging mauta ka dyan. And of course, there's a Knight of Wands. There's a final push. No? Okay, kumbaga, napakalapit mo na sa success dito. Kumbaga, sinasabi dito, maging maingat at maging secure ka about sa pera, diba? Maging mautak. And of course, there's a Eight of Pentacles. Kumbaga, mag-focus ka sa trabaho or negosyo mo. No, kailangan mo nang umalis dyan sa sitwasyon na burden or kailangan mo sigurong baguhin ang strategy mo. So, what is the Seven of Pentacles? There's a Five of Pentacles. Kumbaga, makakaalis ka na dito sa losses or kalugmukang station, no? Kumbaga, nagkaroon ka talaga ng eksena ng paghihirap dito or kumbaga, kawalan ng finances. Hanggang sa nangihingi ka na ng tulong, hindi mo na alam kung kanino ka hihingi ng tulong. So, this is the moment na, kumbaga, turning point na sa iyo naman papaborang eksena, no? Magkakaroon ka ng harvest time with the Seven of Cups. Kumbaga, there's a lot of opportunity coming in for you. Kumbaga, this is the moment na bigla kang uulan yung mga maraming oportunidad. So, what is the Three of Swords? What is the Three of Swords? Okay, there's the Full card. There's a leap of faith. No? Magtiwala ka kay God at there's a new beginning coming in for you. What is the King of Pentacles? There's a Two of Wands. There's a two-path, no? May mga bagay na kailangan mo pagdesisyonan at may mga bagay na kailangan mo yasalang-alang na at kailangan mo na magdesisyon at kailangan mong dumaan sa way na to na kailangan mong i-end yung road ng toxicities. And of course, there's an Eight of Wands. There's a fast communication coming in for you na magdadala sa'yo sa success. Now, there's an email or messages or there's a fast communication coming in for you. Kumbaga, konting tadyak na lang or konting push na lang to. So, what is the Six of Swords and the Eight of Pentacles? What is the Six of Swords and the Eight of Pentacles? Angel Spirit Guides. And of course, there is a Three of Pentacles. Collaboration, teamwork, no? Some of you dyan sa trabaho mo, there's a toxicities, no? Kailangan mo nang i-let go or kailangan mo na umalis dyan sa kung ito ay hindi talaga makakabuti sa'yo na marami ng talagang toxicities dyan. So, ibig sabihin, kapag okay naman, so mag-focus ka dyan sa trabaho mo at kailangan mo ng collaborations. What is the Seven of Pentacles and the Five of Pentacles? There's a judgment. Awakening. Parang bigla ka nagising sa katotohanan na dito na kumbaga, hindi dapat sinasayang ang panahon at oras. 'Di ba? Kumbaga, biglang namulat yung mata mo dito na kumbaga, kaya ka nahirapan dahil sa kumbaga maraming nasayang na panahon at pagkakataon, lalo na yung mga perang nasayang, no? And because there's a Six of Wands, there's a victory and success. Kumbaga, this is the timing or perfect timing or divine timing for you na bigla kang uulanin ng kumbaga, biyaya, no? Or opportunities kasi you're on the spotlight. No, parang ikaw ang talagang pinupunteriya, talaga nasa iyo nakatutok ang eksena, 'di ba? So what is the Three of Swords in the Fool card? What is the Three of Swords in the Fool card? Angel Spirit Guides. And of course, sinasabi din dito, there's an Eight of Cups. Wow. Kumbaga sinasabi dito, let go. Napakawalan mo yung kirot, yung sakit, there's a forgiving and forget. No? Kumbaga sinasabi sa dito, kailangan mo ng bitawan at pakawalan yung rejections, yung failure, at the same time yung disappointment. There's a full card, there's a new beginning coming in for you. And of course, guys, there's an 888. So, ibig sabihin, there's an abundance coming your way. Now, may swerteng papasok sa'yo dito about sa finances. What is the King of Pentacles and the Two of Wands? And of course, there's Devil card. See? Kailangan mo nang i-close yung way na mga toxic na sa paligid mo. Because there's a King of Wands. There's kumbaga control, and of course kumbaga it's stricto, no, sa bagay-bagay. Kumbaga gusto mo kagad matapos, gusto mo talaga may isa katuparan agad-agad. Kumbaga walang mapapagod, magpapahinga tayo pero kailangan natin lumaban ulit. Parang ganun yung mindset mo. And of course, the devil dito with the Two of Wands, sinasabi dito na i-close mo na yung chapter by your toxicities. Yung mga toxic sa paligid mo, kumbaga ikandado mo na yan, no? Parang hindi ka na makadaan dyan. Ganon. So, let's see what is the outcome. For outcome, and of course, there's a Page of Wands. There's a good news. And of course, listen to your intuition. Baka idadaan to sa panaginip mo or sa intuition mo itong balita na to. And of course, sinasabi rin sa'yo dito, there's a Four of Cups, re-evaluate or analyze. No, kailangan mo pag-isipan at kailangan mo isipin tong ipapasok sa yung news or balita, no? Kasi parang prediction to or premonition sa'yo. May paalala sa'yo ang ating divine. And of course, there's the Wheel of Fortune. Dito papasok yung swerte, no? And of course, there's an Eight of Swords. Diyan ka makakawala sa mga toxicities with the Eight of Swords. See, apat na ito, talagang there's a possible na mukhang may swerte, no? Jackpot or something, no? May jackpot dito na ako nakikita. Kumbaga, baka talaga ay this is your timing or perfect timing. Kumbaga, kailangan mo i-analyze or evaluate or kailangan mo tignan na talagang, kumbaga ipapasok sa panaginip mo by numbers, gano'n. Kumbaga sinasabi sa'yo dito, mag-ingat ka sa iyong panaginip. Baka makalimutan mo. Isipin mo mabuti kasi ito yung magdadala sa'yo ng swerte. No? So, what is additional messages for Archangel Michael? So, what is Archangel Michael? Get my information. Keep your eyes on your target intention. So, see? Kailangan tumuto ka dun sa kung alam mong, diba, kung ano yung gusto mo talagang isakatuparan, and admit through yourself and act accordingly. Hindi mo kailangan mag-pretend, no? Kailangan mo maging totoo sa sarili mo. And prayer will help you from this situation. Kailangan mo maging magdasal para makalis ka sa sitwasyon mo, at kailangan mong i-surrender sa kanya lahat. So, what is Archangel Raphael messages? So, what is Archangel Raphael messages? And of course, sinasabi dito, there's a forgiveness heals. Kumbaga, kailangan mo ng bitawan at pakawalan. Yung mga rejection, failures, diba? Yun yung nagdahatak sa toxicities or negativity or blockages. So, what is the Romance Angels? Worth waiting for. So, ibig sabihin, antayin mo yung tamang timing for you. Diba? Divine timing is at work in your love life. 'Diba? Ibibigay sa'yo with that timing, perfect timing. Past life relationship, you have known each other before. So, ibig sabihin, some of you, meron dito, past person coming back. No, what is the angel's number? What is the angel's number? And of course, there's 21. I am inspiring. You are highly creative with a strong will to succeed. Your imagination is highly charged. It reveals itself in everything you do, from sparkling conversation to your most prized project. No? Kumbaga, um, napaka-inspiring mong tao. Marami kang napapahanga sa mga galawan mo, at marami kang kumbaga, naiaalay na knowledge sa ibang tao, no? Kumbaga, dahil sa creativity, or dahil sa knowledge mo, or dahil sa strategy mo, no? So, let's see what is additional messages. Messages of life. Angel Spirit. Ano ko sinasabi? I have faith in life. Today, I give myself to life. I live in the here and now without concern for the tomorrow, because God is always near and will never let me fall. My faith surround me with the light. No matter the circumstances, I let go, having faith that life will always provide what is most beneficial for my soul. Ibig sabihin talaga dito, nagtitiwala ka sa buhay na ibibigay sa iyo ni God. Kumbaga, God will provide, and God is good, and God wills. No, kapag talagang inaalay mo sa Kanya na lahat ng mga bagay ay siya nang bahala. Diba? Ang galing. Kaya siguro pinagpapala. So guys, maraming salamat, Leo, for your wonderful reading. So let's proceed tayo sa ating mga kapatid na Sagittarius. Welcome back, Sagittarius! This is your moment. So guys, maraming salamat for waiting. So umpisahan na natin for the sign of Sagittarius. This is a fire sign reading. So, nauna na yung Aries and Leo. So, this is the last moment ng Sagittarius. So, guys, umpisa na natin ang laban. Angel Spirit, guys, give me information. There's a Five of Cups. There's regret or disappointment. And of course, there's a Page of Swords. There's an information na parang hinatid sa'yo na kumbaga nasayang mga effort or nasayang yung opportunities. And of course, there's the Lovers. Kumbaga, may love life dito, no? And of course, there's the Wheel of Fortune. Talagang naka-destiny, no? There's a destiny to happen, and there's a destiny for your love life. And of course, there's a Three of Cups. There's a celebration. And because there's a High Priestess, there's a hidden agenda or hidden enemies. There's a third party involved, no? Meron ditong may hanash, na may lihim na may hanash sa'yo. So what is the Five of Cups? There's Knight of Wands. There's a final push, or there's a near from the success, pero kumbaga bigla ang disappointment siguro dahil hindi na isa katuparan yung plano mo, or there's a rejection or something na kumbaga nasira yung plano mo dito, no? What is the Page of Swords? What is the Page of Swords? Pero because there's a Palace of Cups, no? Itong information na magdadala sa'yo ng happiness. Siguro, kaya hindi to natuloy itong plano mo at hindi na isa katuparan dahil meron palang bagong offer sa'yo, no? Na magdadala sa'yo ng mas masaya. Kumbaga, magpapasalamat ka pa nga kasi there's a blessing this guys na, ay thank you kasi buti ka mo, hindi natuloy yun, mayroon palang mas maganda opportunity, ganon. And of course, there's a Four of Swords, sorry. There is a Four of Swords na listen to your intuitions, no? Kumbaga makinig ka sa iyong intuition mo. There's a Seven of Swords. There's a cheating and lying on you. Kumbaga meron ditong nagsisinungaling at meron okay, thank you. There's a sneakiness now. There's a sneakiness by your intuitions, no? Parang ginugulo kayo sa panaginip nito. What is the Three of Cups? And of course, there's a Chariot card, no? Parang may parating na event, celebration, birthday. So, what is the what is the High Priestess? There's an Ace of Coin. There's a new offer on new material offer, no? There's a big slot or big money coming in for you with an expected moment. So, what is the Five of Cups and the Knight of Wands? Okay, there's a King of Coin. So, ibig sabihin, maging secure ka about sa finances. Kasi, tendency nito, nagkaroon ka talaga ng, kumbaga, pagsisisi kasi nagkaroon ng regret. Kumbaga may mga bagay na parang hindi mo kasi nilaban, parang ganon. Or hindi mo kasi parang ginaw. Or hindi mo kasi sinecure about yung finances mo at the same time. 'Di ba? Parang sign of opportunities, parang ganun siya, guys. And of course, there is a strength card. There's a strongest energy na, kumbaga, kailangan mong pag-isipan ng maayos yung way or yung path mo, no? There's a decision that you need to make. Kumbaga, there's an information na kailangan mong pag-isipan kung saan kang way or saan pinto ka dadaan. Kasi there's a door closes and of course, there's a one o another open, no? May mga pinto ang magbubukas at may mga pinto ang magsasara para sa'yo. So, what is the lovers and of course, the four of swords? There is a four of cups, re-evaluate or analyze. Now, may mga bagay dito sa sitwasyon mo, lalo-lalo na yung mga tao sa paligid mo or third party involved. Kumbaga, mayroon ditong hindi matanggap ang inyong relasyon. No? What is the wheel of fortune? Of course, the seven of swords. There's a page of cups. Now, there's a manifestation. May mga bagay na, kumbaga, may lihim na may gusto pala sa person mo o sa'yo, kumbaga nakatago, no, na gustong siya na lang pala dapat ang pinili mo o siya na lang dapat pala ang pinili ng person mo, parang ganon, no? What is the three of cups and the chariot card? There's a palace of wands. There's a lot of obligation, responsibilities, at nilet go mo yon, no? Kumbaga, nag-let go ka ng mga responsibilities and of course na lahat ng mga obligations, no? Kumbaga, sinasabi dito para nakalaya ka na sa mga paghihirap na yon with the chariot card, taking action, at kumilos ka talaga. So, what is the high priestess and of course the ace of coin? There's a six of pentacles. Kumbaga, magtutuloy-tuloy na raw about sa finances sa'yo with the big opportunities and big money with the unexpected moment. No? Kumbaga, magtutuloy-tuloy na raw about sa finances. Kailangan mong i-analyze ng maayos to, ha, kasi may tendency baka gayamahin to person mo na, kumbaga, or cross-watcher, ha, kumbaga, mayroon ditong gagayumahin. It's either you or your person na may lihim na may gusto dito sa person mo, no? Kumbaga, matagal na. So, what is the outcome? What is the outcome? Ang outcome is the tree of life, no? Talagang parang nakasama na siya sa ninyo, sa pamilya nyo, parang ganon. 'Di ba? Parang nagpapalaki ka ng ahas dito. See, I told you, there's a ten of sword. Parang nagpapalaki ka ng ahas dito na, kumbaga, nakakapasok sa bahay nyo or something na baka kumari mo or kaibigan mo or something or kaibigan ng ano mo. Kumbaga, may taong ahas na nagpapalaki ka sa iyong tahanan. So, let's see what is angels messages for Archangel Michael. For Archangel Michael messages, okay, you created the situation and you have the power to change it. Ikaw daw yung naglagay sa sitwasyon mo at ikaw din makakagawa ng paraan para makaalis ka dyan. And because this is your life purpose. Na ito talaga yung ito talaga yung plan ng buhay mo or yung gusto mo mangyari sa buhay mo. And of course, it's time to leave the unhealthy situation. See, kailangan mo nang pakawalan at talaga kailangan mo nang alisin yung hindi mabuting sa sitwasyon nyo. No? Siguro na parang na-weird ka na or parang na ano ka na, alibadbaran ka na rin. And of course, there's a relationship, no? And on home help. So, kailangan talaga ng tahanan nyo ng tulong. Diba na ni Archangel Raphael for healing and of course relationship for your relationship. Kasi baka mayroong sumasapaw. So what is the romance angels? Romance angels are honeymoon. So enjoy the bliss, holiday time together. So talaga meron kayong magkakaroon ng time to each other with your partner or asawa or jowa or ano man yan, diba? Relationship. So there is a purport. I am supported. Your angels are encouraging you to continue on your present life path with the diligence and determination, and even greater success will come in the near future. See? Maaaring ang ating universe sinusuportahan ka din sa mga bagay-bagay na nangyayari sa iyo. Diba, may mga pinagdadaanan ka pero at the end of the time napagtatagumpayan mo. So what is the messages of life? Growing. O see? Parang ito yung nagsisilbi na para umunlad ka o para magkaroon ka ng expansion. Today, I understand that I am here to learn, to discover, and grow. When I nourish myself with my inner light, my inner divinity grows. When I study the message that life brings me, I am improved the eyes of God when I strike a balance between the material and spiritual world. I am freed of my inner conflict. In this way, I grow on my own soul. So see, kumbaga, nagkaroon ng evolution sa buhay mo. At nagkaroon talaga ng pagbabago. Ngayon, kumbaga, sinasabi sa dito, nasimulan mo yung pagbabago at alisin mo yung mga negativity or yung mga toxic sa paligid mo. So guys, maraming salamat po for fire sign reading for Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. Maraming salamat guys. This reading is general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang pa makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit notification bell for more videos update. Sa mga hindi pa po nakakapag-subscribe sa aking channel, please click nyo na po ang subscribe button dyan sa baba for all bell para updated kayo sa mga videos na i-upload natin every time in every moment. Maraming salamat po guys. And of course, maraming salamat sa mga hindi nag-i-skip ng ads and of course sa patuloy na panonood sa aking videos. And of course, don't forget to comment down below your full name and birthday. And of course, yung location nyo kung asan man kayo ngayon para sa susunod na reading natin. Baka energy mo na ang mahagilap at masagap natin. Maraming salamat guys and see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush!